Dear students, now I'm going to a topic from an important chapter, carbon and its compounds. Okay, my dear students, see carbon and its compound. Its compound. Carbon and its compound. Okay, from this chapter I'm going to teach an important topic, carbon dioxide. All of you know carbon dioxide is a gas and one component from the major gases from air. My dear students, today I will describe this. First of all, Van Helmont described carbon dioxide gas as a carbonium. Understand? This carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide, described by Van Helmont as carbonium. Carbonium. This is told by the Van Helmont as a carbonium. Understand? And he also told, Van Helmont also told, when charcoal is burnt, it is formed. It means when charcoal, chemical formula C, burnt, it forms carbon dioxide, CO2. And he also noticed that this gas is present in coal mines also. Understand, my dear students? After this, in 1775, Joseph Black prepared this gas by heating magnesium carbonate. Understand? Joseph Black in 1775 obtained this gas by heating magnesium carbonate. Now, Joseph Black prepared this gas by heating magnesium carbonate, MgCO3, magnesium carbonate, heating. And here I write the symbol of heating as a delta. After heating magnesium carbonate, it forms magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. Understand? On heating magnesium carbonate, it forms magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. And he also told this gas fixed here. Joseph Black told this carbon dioxide gas as a fixed air. It was Anthony Lavoisier later who named this gas Anthony Lavoisier. Anthony Lavoisier. Anthony Lavoisier. Anthony Lavoisier. Another chemist, Anthony Lavoisier, told this acid carbonic. Acid carbo NiQe. Acid carbonic. Understand? So my dear students, again I refresh this. Present topic carbon dioxide is from chapter carbon and its compounds, and it is under the unit of this unit 3 of this chapter, carbon and its compound. Understand? One element told this gas as a carbonium, and he told it can be prepared by heating charcoal in presence of air. Air means oxygen. On heating charcoal with air, it means oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. Then after, Joseph Black again told on heating magnesium carbonate, MgCO3, magnesium carbonate, magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide is produced. Understand? And Joseph Black told this carbon dioxide gas as a fixed here. Then then Anthony Lavoisier named this gas as a acid carbonium. Acid carbonium. And when well naming system established in the chemistry, later it was named as a carbon dioxide. My dear student, understand, Anthony Lavoisier named acid carbonic. Anthony Lavoisier named it acid carbonic. Spelling, understand, acid carbonic. Yes. Acid carbonic, NiQe, acid carbonic. It was known as this acid carbonic is known as carbon dioxide. Okay, my dear students, all of you have understood about the introduction of carbon dioxide. Now I am going to tell you occurrence of carbon dioxide. In free state, carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere from 0.03% to 0.04%, and in the combined form it is present in mineral carbonate. For example, calcium carbonate, which is known as limestone. magnesium carbonate, which is known as magnesite, MgCO. Formula of dolomite is MgCO3 dot calcium carbonate. It means CaCO3. Formula of the dolomite is MgCO3 dot CaCO3. And in combined form, it is also found in the cell of the sea animals. Understand, my dear students? It can be prepared by heating coal or coke in presence of air. It forms calcium. It forms carbon dioxide. First method. And it can also be prepared by heating magnesite in presence of air. Understand, when magnesite is heated, it means MgCO3 is heated. It delta is the symbol of heating. Magnesium carbonate is heated. It forms magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So my dear students, you know these are the method of preparation of carbon dioxide. Understand? Okay, my dear students, you are requested to understand the history of carbon dioxide, and then after preparation methods of carbon dioxide. Okay, thank you, my dear students. God bless you. Okay.